Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I want to share with you a couple of amazing Milwaukee deals over at Home Depot. These just started today, May 23rd. They will go through July 17th, so they are available for quite some time. Of course, they will go in and out of stock throughout that time, and they're all in stock right now because it just started today. So, first deal I have for you is the Milwaukee M18 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour starter kit. You also get the charger, obviously. Normally that is $249. Now it's down to $199. But when you purchase it, you also get a free bare tool to go with it. So let's take a look at those bare tool options. First up, you get the sander, orbital sander, normal price of $129. This was also included in the sale we talked about from Acme Tools last week, and their deal was 2 5 amp hour batteries, no charger, and the free bare tool. So this was actually one that I picked up last week for myself. The second tool option is the oscillating tool, normal price of $129. This was the other one that I picked up from the Acme tool deal last week. So eventually both of those tools will appear on the second channel if you want to check them out. That is Struggleville 2. Next up, $169 value is the hammer drill. Now, I tried double dipping here and it didn't work, but I was hopeful because they have this deal here where when you buy the hammer drill, you get a free 3 amp hour battery. So I tried doing this and doing the deal we're talking about and then changing the quantity, so I was only buying one hammer drill, but when you do that it charges you for the 3 amp hour battery. So I had my fingers crossed, it didn't work out. I'm going to be purchasing this one with this deal here. And the other one I'm going to purchase myself is for the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Surge Impact Driver, normal price of $169. Your last tool option for this first deal is the Gen 2 M18 Rover LED floodlight, rated at 4,000 lumens, regular price of $169. Next deal is the Milwaukee M18 High Output Starter Kit. You're getting 2 high output 6 amp hour batteries and the charger, normally $399 down to $299, and again you are getting a free tool with that. We have 11 different tool options this time, and again this deal is going to go through July 17th. So taking a look at the tool options here, we see the orbital sander again. Get another repeat with the multi-tool, oscillating tool. Here we have the Rocket Light, Rocket Dual Power Tower Light. That's a fan favorite. People really love that light. $229 regular value, regular price. We also have the Hammer Drill at $169. The 4.5-inch grinder with the paddle switch. This is a fuel tool, brushless, normal price of $199. Be a good option with it. We get the compact router. I feel like we've seen the router in a couple of different promotions lately. Seem to be pushing it a little bit more. And $199 a regular price on the router. We get the Hacksaw fuel version. Probably wouldn't get it with this deal because I don't think it's as good of a value, and we see it in a lot of promotions. But it's still a decent tool. I think you get a better value with some of these others. If I end up taking advantage of this deal, this is what I will be purchasing myself at $219 is the Gen 3 M18 brushless 3/8-inch compact impact wrench with friction ring. Another one that is very popular but not included in a lot of promotions. So this is a chance to get a deal on it when you otherwise may have a hard time finding it discounted in any way. Here we have the M18 Fuel Pack-Out 2.5 gallon wet dry vacuum, regular price of $199. Again, we have the Surge 1/4-inch impact, same as the last deal. And we also have the Rover LED 4,000 lumen light. I will have both of those deals linked down below, post on my website that has all the information you need. The 2 6 amp hour batteries, the 5 and 2 amp hour battery deal. But also, if you are watching this on the day that I'm posting the video, which is May 23rd, the Home Depot special buy of the day has a bunch of really good deals going on. We actually have this 5 and 2 at $189 when it's combined right here for the hammer drill. Again, it's just for today, the 23rd, but there's a ton of stuff listed, so I'll leave that link down below too. And anytime a special buy of the day is tool related, we always get it posted on the website, so keep an eye out for that. So there it is. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.